I bring you greetings from the World Packaging Organization. I represent WPO. WPO is 54 years old. It's not a young organization. It is non-governmental, it is non-political, it is non-profitable. Its only one aim, is to network the world in terms of packaging, packaging technology, packaging knowledge, and packaging solutions to real practical problems. So we are here in Pakistan, and it is such a great honor and a privilege to be in Pakistan, second time, through the invite of FlexPack. We have the chairman here of FlexPack. And really, the purpose of me being in Pakistan at this point is to offer technical and packaging training at various business forums. So we met yesterday over lunch, and I was invited to just say a few words here, so I am here. So, packaging, how did it all start? Let me give you some context. We say that we are now in the fourth industrial revolution. Everybody talks about 4IR, FIR, and that sort of thing. But it all started around 1780, the late 1700s, with the first industrial revolution. And that spawned mechanization, and that spawned manufacturing. Steam engine and all of that was figured out in 1780, which is about 240 years ago. Not a long time ago, only 240 years ago. And then about 100 years later, the second industrial revolution was electrification, busy here. Bati. And what we are saying is coupling mechanical machinery with electrification resulted in high-speed manufacturing. Then another 100 years later, around 1970, was the age of the digital era. Computerization, PLCs, and all of a sudden electromechanical machinery that have been producing packaging, not only packaging, but have been producing consumable goods, have accelerated. Now, with the coupling of digitization, our machinery is faster than ever before. As a result, you'll find that we live in a world now, in 2020s, we live in a very sophisticated world. We live in a world where we cannot do without supply chains. And no supply chain can work without packaging. Think about what I'm saying. You cannot have supply chain unless the product that you are trying to move is packaged. So there we come to this concept of packaging. Over the past 100 odd years, human beings on this planet have moved from a number of 2 billion to now 8 billion, which means in 100 years, from 1920, you can research this, till now, 2020, 100 years, we have quadrupled the number of human beings on the planet. Therefore, it's very easy to see that the demand in packaging has also shown an accelerated growth. Not only packaging, all consumer goods. Here's another trend. Because of high-speed manufacturing, because of quadrupling of the human species, we have another problem. We are going into Mother Earth, and we are mining and resourcing as much raw material as we want and need, and we are using this to make all the products that we want.